Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, I'm going to take you guys back to the Cargo Connect table with the Educator robot. This guy is so cool. So it mirrors the robot Educator, but it has a really cool frame, and there's some really cool features you'll want to see about this robot. So if you want to see everything, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I left you the link for the instructions for this Educator I've done videos before on it, but not with Cargo Connect. So if you're wondering, Mr. Hino, can this thing really do first LEGO League Cargo Connect missions? Today what I want to do is I want to show you just some of the missions that I tried with this bot. Now, one thing also that's very cool is this thing has brand new motors. So for some of you that are wondering, hey, Mr. Hino, I'm starting our first LEGO League season, should I put new motors on there? I would say if you can afford it, yes. But I know that because of the EV3 retiring, things are getting really expensive. So I would say if you don't put new motors on, try to put on the newest motors you can. Because I think I've told you guys, some of our motors are about 5, 6 years old and they're starting to die. So the really cool thing is this thing has brand new motors. Let me go ahead and show that to you. And to start off this Educator robot, we're gonna go ahead and start it off with some brand new motors, guys. So, you might ask me, Mr. Hino, should we start off our FLL season with brand new motors? If you can afford it, I would say yes, because you just don't know, again, when you start to use the older motors, when those things are gonna go out on you. So, ooh, look at that. No scuff marks on the sides. So, so yes, we're gonna start this Educator robot with these brand new motors. So yeah, I would say again, if you're working with 4 or 5-year-old motors, I would say if you can afford it, start off your first LEGO League season with these new motors because you don't know when those are gonna go out. My students are in the middle of a project and their motor will go out, and it's, luckily it's just Educator robots. But if you have like a first LEGO League robot where you're at a competition, it's a week away, you're now gonna have to take that thing apart and replace the motors. So I would say yes, if you can, try to start your season with new motors. If not, start off with the newest motors you can get, okay? Let's go ahead and get this thing built. Okay guys, so the Educator robot, it is a very cool first LEGO League robot. I have left you the building instructions in the description of this guy. What I want to do today is just show you some of the really cool features about it, but I know you guys are waiting to see how this guy performs on some of the Cargo Connect missions. So let's first take a look at this robot. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this thing. The thing that I really like to start off with, it has kind of the box frame to it. So for those of you that know about hitting the sides of the board, you know how that can be an issue. You don't want your tire hitting the side of the board. So now we got this frame, so it allows a little bit more forgiveness. It definitely has dual color sensors. Right now I don't have them plugged in just because I'm not doing any line following yet. The thing that is most awesome, guys, in base, it's really tough for attachments to go on and off. Check this thing out. That's it. It is basically you just take it and pop it back on when you want to use it. So up and down. I don't want this anymore. I just take it and I pop it off like that. And the way these pins are, they don't pop off. And so what will happen is this spin gear will basically line up with the other one, and I just pop it on, and now I have full function of this medium motor. What's also very cool on the back, it has this 15-hole beam, so it can line you up against the backboard if you're, and in fact, it can actually line you up when you're launching in base too. So that's a really cool feature. And the thing that I think, I don't know, I like the front end attachment, but I definitely like the fact that the wheels get double support. So I don't know if you can see this, but the axle is actually going through the tire and actually ending up right here, going through this hole. So what's happening is it's getting support on both sides so that my robot's going to travel a lot straighter than if the axle was just coming from the motor. So, I mean, just look at this guy. It's really cool. And right now I'm going to go ahead and take you to the Cargo Connect table so that way you can see this Educator in action. Okay guys, so now that you've seen the features of this robot, let's go to the table and see if this guy really can do what I say he can do. Okay, we're ready for our innovative project model here. So we're taking this to the Cargo Connect circle. These new motors drive really straight. Some people have asked, Mr. Why do you come back to the wood? Just in case sometimes my robot might be veering off. I don't want it to like end up here. I'd rather it end up here. So it's all a matter of choice. Yes, you can return here, but many times I've tried to return and I end up like right here, where I would have been better just backing up all the way so I don't get that precision token taken away. So it's up to you if you guys can just make sure. I just don't want to sometimes hit the chicken. I know it's only 5 points, or is it 10? 10 points. But I just want to steer clear so that way, if I'm angling wrong, I don't want to end up out of base. So there is the innovative project model for 20. Okay everybody, so in this mission here, we'll have the Educator move the cargo ship over for 30, and then finish off with the accident avoidance for 30. So let's check that out. Perfect. What's really cool is this back part of the Educator for some reason doesn't let it go past a certain point so it doesn't knock over the black frame. So excellent Educator nice job. Okay guys, so that is just the beginning. I do plan to put this guy through more tests of the tougher missions because, I'm just starting off, getting to become familiar with this robot. But I am really, just blown away because of the fact that it is just so compact. It's so easy. And it has these really cool just takeoff attachments that if you want to take it off, you can just pop it back on again. So it's a really cool robot, guys. I suggest you check it out if you're looking for a FLL robot, Educator Okay, guys? All right, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I am out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.